What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. I put to the test few camping showers and some of them are amazing, but I have never put to the test hot shower, and it's for the camping. All you have to do is get a gas canister and plug it in and start it up, and it will heat up the water. Let's see how well it's going to heat it up. Okay, let's do quick unboxing, see what's inside. There's a holder, whole bunch of stuff as you can see. This is our heater, looks like. Tripod. We will need camping propane. Stick this in here. Very nice. I wonder where the stick goes. I think they all go over here. Yep. And there's little clamps, 4 of them, so that way nothing will fall off. Wow, that's a good idea. They just click in. The way it's designed, there's a copper pipe coil around, and there's a propane stove, so that way it's going to heat up the pipes, and while you're running the water, it's going to be instantly heating up the water really fast. So that's the idea. Okay, and then this going to screw in. Let's make sure this is off. Yeah, it's off. All the way in. Very nice. And this side here is a pump. Let's see what kind of batteries we need. Okay, it takes 4 D-size batteries, one of those huge ones. Lock it in. And there's a little pump. We're gonna put it in a river, in a bucket, in a stream, lake, whatever it is that is cold, and then it's going to heat it up. Okay, next we will need our hose. Okay, what's going on? Looks like there's more than one. I guess there's a replacement hose or something. Okay, never mind. This is shower hose. This one goes into the bucket. This one goes into the pump. And then it goes into here. Down here says attach the pump hose, so very clear, easy instructions. You want to push it all the way through, you don't want to have any leakage. And this side here, shower head hose. Very surprised, this is really nice and professional. I didn't expect it's going to be that good. Now let's go try to use the shower, see what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to place the pump into the deeper side of the water, so that way it doesn't run out. There you go. This one should be waterproof. Looks like waterproof, but I'm not gonna test it. Okay, turn it on. Let's see if the water going through. There you go. The water going through. Right now it's cold water. Wow, this is a really nice flow. That's for sure. Let me pause it. Boom, and it stops instantly. Okay, we're going to fill it up with the cold water first. It feels cold, and then we're going to measure it real quick. Okay, so Fahrenheit 66, it's pretty chilly, but Celsius is 19. So as you can see, it's pretty chilly. You don't want to take a shower in that, it's cold. So now we're going to fire it up. Whoa! So be careful with that. Do you see that? Okay, that should be heating up. Okay, I'm gonna run the water while it's heating up. Ooh, this is hot. This is hot instantly. Okay, now it's kind of cold. Let me put it on max. Okay, that sounds like it's burning. And you can hang it too, you don't have to hold it down, and this side here should be hot. Okay. Oh yeah, that feels really warm and even hot. Ouch! So you definitely don't want to let it sit there. You want it to run slowly, so that way it doesn't overheat it and you'd burn yourself. So right now it's kind of warm, it's not cold. So let me try to turn it up the heat. See if it's going to get any warmer. It's definitely not cold, but it's not hot either. You know how you can heat up this water? Just put it back in the bucket, and that way it will circulate it, and it's going to heat up your water really fast. So right now it's at 69 degrees, 68, Celsius 20. Let me show you instant heat up. If you go right under it from the cold river into the hose right away, it's still going to be warmer. You see, it's 32 degrees, 89 degrees. So it is warm, not cold. Instantly you can take shower running it out of the river. But if you want to make a bath or something, all you have to do is set it up like this, put the water back in, and the water going to preheat really well. Because right now it's spitting out 89 degree water, it's really warm. So you can use a shower with the really warm water. I love it. Now that it's going full time, it is really warm. Feels like 90 degrees for sure. If you put a couple of drops of water in there, look, they're evaporating fast. So it takes a few minutes to start get it going really hot. And now it's coming out very warm every single time. So I'm gonna run it for another 10 minutes, and then we're gonna check how hot is our bucket of water. Okay guys, this is actually going really hot now. This is awesome. Wow. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually steaming now. So, Fahrenheit, let's measure the temperature. 120 in Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius. That's crazy. That is too hot. Wow, let me feel it. Whoa, this is burning hot. Woo! So maybe you can make some kind of portable hot tub or something like that. Somewhere outdoors out there. So cool. Look how hot it is. It's steaming. Beautiful. If I point it this way, as you can see, the water is steaming hot. If this not approved, this water is definitely does get hot. I don't know what will. Let me shut this off. All I have to do is just spin it on off. Boom. And while it's off, the water is still hot because we preheated already, and take a really hot shower. This is nice. But at the same time, if you don't want to preheat the water, you don't even have to have a bucket. You can just put the pump into the lake, into the water, whatever, and run it from there, and it still will be about 80 degrees, maybe even higher. Just let few minutes to preheat those copper pipes, and once they're all really hot, it's gonna pump out pretty hot water, even if the water source is really cold. Super awesome. Love this hot shower. Best ever. By the way, everything will be hot except the handle, so grab the handle if you wanna move it somewhere else. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool off, and then I'm going to try to packet everything in a bag, see if it's actually going to fit. Okay, it's cooled off about 15 minutes after. Still warm, but now it's cool. I'm gonna take it off, and let's see how well it is going to fit. Then I'm just gonna stick everything into here. Actually, first of all, let's pull this out. The baggie definitely works really well. I don't even have to unplug anything. I think it'll fit, just gotta drain it all. And boom, look at that. Everything keeps in the bag, very nice and neat. I'm not gonna lose anything. And I can probably stick a propane tank in there as well. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this gadget. I didn't even know that there is a camping hot water shower. Boom, there it is. Not too heavy, it's beautiful. Especially amazing for camp base. If you driving with the car, not hiking as much, this is what it is for. Perfect. Anyways, let me know in comments below, what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.